Good morning, YouTubers. We're here now on our first pit stop. We're having a good breakfast before we heading to how's the name again? To Wat Chalermprakiat. It's like a temple area with pagodas building on the mountains. Yeah, and it should be amazing. It's on top of a hill, of a mountain with an amazing view. So I'm gonna show you the motorbike first, how we're gonna drive up there. Motorbike here, ready to go. We finally reached the place. It's almost 1 hour and a half from Lampang by motorbike, and then we're gonna reach the pagoda on the mountain, in the mountains.